Meron po. Pagagawin ko po yan. In fact, may hearing din po yung accounts bukas. Attend po ako doon. So, nandun lang po ako bukas. So, we'll try to settle things in an amicable manner without degrading the prestige of the Senate.
Sir, yung sinasabi po ninyo na gagawin ninyo na pag-uusap, bukas din po yan, sir?
Hindi pa
Okay,
yan. We still have to constitute the ethics committee. Kulang pa kami ng 2 members. Kasi na-elect po akong chairman nito 1 day before the adjournment. So, hindi kami buo. Kulang yon, may nag-resign. So, bubuuin muna namin ito and then we will adopt the appropriate rules that might be needed to address this concern.
Do you think po an ethics complaint was necessary in this case po?
Prerogative po yan ng complainant, in this case, Senator Nancy Binay. It cannot be taken away from her. So, karapatan po niya yan.